Good day everyone, this is Ken, and today we're going to talk about, in this video, the different notes in the fretboard. So, why do we need to know the different notes in the fretboard? First is that it can be used in note reading, kapag magbabasa ng notes sa staff. Next one is, if you're gonna study the scales, of course, kailangan alam mo yung different notes in a certain instrument. Next one is when you are soloing, kapag nagsusolo ka. Especially sa, for example, gitara, ukulele, you can do that. Next one is improvisation. So you need to know the notes. And for composition, if you're going to compose a song and for other purposes, okay? So it's very important to know the notes. So, as we all know, itong ukulele, this is the fretboard, okay? And each and every part of the fretboard, meron siyang different notes. Or meron siyang note kada position dito, okay? Ito, ibang note. Ibang note na ito. Another one. Lahat sila iba't iba. So, today, we're going to talk about ano ba yung mga notes na nandito. Okay? Okay. Before we proceed in discussing the different notes in the ukulele fretboard, let us first discuss about the keyboard, okay? Or the piano. Yung itsura niya kasi connected siya kung paano mas maintindihan natin yung ukulele if we understand first about the keyboard. So let's draw the keyboard, okay? So I'll be drawing vertical lines. So this will be our white keys, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay. And then I'll be putting the black key or the black keys. So notice the pattern. Dalawa and then 3. Dalawa silang magkagrupo and then tatlo naman. And then liligtang ulit tayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's like this. Now I'll be putting the notes. So in here we have C. Okay, sa dalawa makikita natin yung C. Okay, D and then E. We put them in the white keys of the keyboard. G, A, B, C. Okay, so as the notes, as the keys go to the right, it goes higher. As they go to the left, it goes lower. The pitch of them goes lower. Okay. So what is the purpose now of these black keys? So itong black keys na to, we call them in music the flat and the sharp. Okay. So if we go here from C, yung sasunod niya is C sharp, and then D sharp, F sharp, G followed by G sharp, A sharp, and then naulit lang. Okay. Now, they can also be called flat. Okay? Kasi yung flat, pababa naman siya. So, pag galing ka ng D, so bumaba tayo ng half step. So, ito yan, D, baba tayo isa, D flat. And then E flat. G, baba tayong half step, G flat. And then A flat. From B, half step lower, B flat, and so on and so forth. Paulit-ulit lang, okay? Okay. So that is the keyboard, okay? Now, as we notice, yung mga black keys natin can be found in between C and D, B and E, F and G, G and A, and then A and B. And then wala naman tayong black keys na makikita in between E and F, and then B and C. So, bakit ganon? It means that wala silang or half step lang yung pagitan nila. Okay? Half step lang yung pagitan ng E and F and then B and C. Okay? So, when we say half step nga pala, that is the shortest distance between two notes. Okay? So, walang note na nasa gitna ng mga notes na yun. Okay? It means na half step lang ang distance nila. Now, comparing sa ukulele natin, so for example, this is the G, the fourth string is the G. So, one half step, okay, that is the G sharp, okay? And then another half step, that is the A, okay? So, yun yun. Okay? Half step ang kada galaw ng ano natin, ng fretboard, okay? Kada galaw ng number, fret 1, okay? Half step, another half step, okay? Yung distance ng notes. Okay. Now, as we continue, let us review the tuning of the ukulele. Now, these are the strings. This is the fourth, the top, and then the third, second, and the first. The fourth is G4. Next is the third is C4. Second is E4, and the first string is A4. Okay, so these are the strings, the open, okay, open strings of the ukulele. C4, G4, C4, E4, and A4. Okay. Now, ganito yung gagawin natin. I'll be using a notebook for me to explain kung paano natin mas madaling maiintindihan at ma-memorize yung ating ukulele fretboard. Okay? So, let's start. So, ganito yung pag-position. So, parang nakatayo lang siya. Isipin natin nakatayo yung ukulele natin sa papel. Okay? So, set aside ko muna itong ukulele. So, I'll be drawing 4 straight lines. So, it represents the strings kasi 4 strings ang ukulele. Okay. And then, so yan. So I'll be putting the notes. Okay, G4, C4, E4, and then A4. So I'll be putting also the fret numbers. So first fret, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, why 17? Kasi yung sa ukulele ko, 17 frets. Ginaya ko na lang, okay? So, let's go back to the keyboard, okay? So, let's start with the fourth string, the G4. Or with the G. So, 2 frets from it will be the A. So, bakit ganun? Tingnan natin yung keyboard. So, meron silang note na nasa gitna. Okay? Kaya dito na agad tayo sa second fret. And then, from A, 2 frets from it will be B. Okay? Kasi meron ulit na ano dito, na black key. Kung titingin tayo sa keyboard natin. Okay? And then, 5th fret is C. So, bakit wala tayong ano yan? Bakit wala tayong pagitan? Okay? Sinakagad. Kasi dito sa keyboard, wala din silang pagitan. So, doon tayo magbe-base. Okay? So, let's continue. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang wala lang pagitan ay E and F and then B and C. Ganon din dito sa ukulele. Okay? So, sulatan lang natin ha. Continue natin yung process. So, C and D meron pagitan. D and E meron. E and F, wala. So that's why in the 10th fret of the 4th string, we have F there. And then, G ulit sa 12. Okay? Now, hanggang 12 muna tayo. Let's do the 3rd string. Okay? So, C4, and then D, and then E, F, wala silang pagitan. And then, G, A, B, and then C. Now let's continue that process in the other strings. Okay. Okay. So, napuno ko na yung hanggang 12 fret. Kung napapansin nyo, yung itong 0 fret natin, yung open strings. Okay? So, yung 0 fret. Kung mapapansin nyo, pareho lang siya nung hanggang 12 fret. So kapag hindi siya pareho, ibig sabihin may mali sa ano natin. May mali sa pagsulat natin. Kailangan pareho tong dalawang to, okay? And then parang mauulit lang ulit yung mga notes. Okay? So from that 0 plus mag-add ka, for example, 0 to 2. So 12 plus 2, 14. So same notes. Okay? Same lang din dapat yung makikita mo dito na notes. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin nyo, yung una natin mga notes, G4, C4, E4, and A4, may mga numbers sila. Now, let's also put the numbers here. Okay? So, yung number na yun, nagre-represent yun kung saan octave sila kabilang. So, pag taas ng number, so, ibig sabihin, mataas yung pitch nun. Okay? C4 and then C5, mas mataas na note yung C5. Although, pareho silang C. Okay? Now, so tuwing kailan nagbabago, okay? Nagbabago yung number after ng B. So, for example, B4, mas mataas ng, yung sunod na C4, yung sunod na C, that's already a C5. Okay? So again, from B, nagbabago ang number pag nag-C na. Example, B4, magiging C5 na siya. Ulit-ulit. Okay, now let's do it from G4, E4, B4, and then C5. And then, C na yung, 5 na yung remaining. Yung mga susunod. Magbabago lang ulit after ulit ng B. So, E5, F5, G5, and then A5. Now, let's do that also with the third string, C4. C4 followed by D4, E4, F4, G4, A4, B4. So, ano sunod sa B4? So, that is a C5. Okay? So, yun yun. And then, C5, D5 na. So on and so forth. And then, let's do that also with the other strings. Second and first. F4, G4. A4, B4. C5. Okay, and then the first string. So, A4, B4, C5. D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, and then the A5 and then B5 and then C6. Okay, and then D6. Now, let us i-play natin yung mga notes na yun, okay? Locate natin dito sa mismong ukulele. Okay, the first string is G4, so 0 fret. That's G4, followed by A4, and then followed by B4, and then C5. Okay, and then D5 dito. Okay, and then the rest. Ganun lang din. Now, let's proceed also to the third string. This is the C4, the open. Okay, and then D4 here, E4, and then F4. Okay. And then after it is 7th fret. That is the G4. Okay. Now second string. So this is E4, open, and then first fret F4, and then G4, third string, followed by A4. Okay. So that is the fifth fret of the second string. This one. Now, first string, A4, open, and then B4, second fret, third fret, C5, fifth fret, D5. Okay, and the rest, it will just follow. Okay? Okay, that's all for our video for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you.